Up next on my list of things to do is make homemade jam. I haven't done homemade jam in a really long time, and I saw this recipe on the Food Nanny where her Aunt Sue made it. It was an Instagram story, so I am going to go ahead and try it. I've got some blueberries, strawberries. We'll see how this tastes. It's just whatever leftover random bits are in there, and a few of these sweet cherries. And I didn't know this, but they taught me that apples have natural pectin in them. You see all these little bites. There's natural pectin in this. So if you chop up like maybe half a cup or half an apple, I don't need to use a pectin packet. So I'm excited to give this a try. Their recipe said 3 6-ounce containers of fruit, so I'm just going to totally guess that maybe that's one of the 6 ounces, and then maybe there's 2 more, like I'm picturing those little containers of fruit, so maybe there's 2 right there, plus a handful of little frozen bits. I'm just going to put probably maybe 2 handfuls of the frozen cherries in. They said half an apple. I'm going to do 3/4 an apple just because. Three cups of sugar and 1 cup of water. Once it comes to a boil, I am going to set a timer for 10 minutes.
I'm going purple because I know it's your favorite color.
Do you want to cut the paper in half so you can save this for another project?
Yeah.
Okay, I love that. Now I can see it while I cook. Okay, after the 10 minutes, I'm going to remove it from the heat and take my immersion blender and just blend it all up. If you don't have an immersion blender, I'm sure you could like pour it into a food processor. A what? Yeah, or a blender. Okay, I'm going to put it back on the heat for another 5 minutes. Oh my gosh, I am so excited for this. It smells so good. I could put the pot in the sink and let it soak with water, and then it sits there all day, and then I have to mess with it tonight before bed, or I can take just a few seconds and hurry and wash it out right now while I'm waiting for those to cool down a little bit anyway. So I like to keep my dishes up as I go so I'm not overwhelmed at the end of the day with a bunch of dishes. Okay, this jam smells amazing. It's just like a mixture of berries, mostly strawberries. I will probably freeze those ones once they have cooled. I will keep that one in the fridge. You can give one as a gift or to a neighbor. I just put this on a biscuit that I already had made up. This would work perfect over ice cream or for peanut butter and jelly sandwiches or toast. That's so good. It's so good. It was so easy to make too. That was so easy to make. A total of 15 minutes on the stove. That's it.